Hey YouTube, as the title suggests, this is a video just extending out to you and thanking you all for viewing my content and watching the channel. 1,000 subscribers is amazing, and it's really something that I've been trying to reach for a while now, and I'm really looking forward to creating more videos, making more videos about finance, doing some more algorithmic trading. And this video is to serve as a thank you, but also as a way for me to answer a few questions that I commonly see in the comments. And I'm also going to give you an update on where I sort of see the channel going. I think the first most common question I get is, can you make a video on connecting a reinforcement learning agent to an online trading platform like Alpaca? The answer is I am trying. It turns out it's a lot more difficult to accomplish this than I originally thought it would be. So it's just taking me a little bit more time than I expected. I am working on it. I am trying to put it out there, but it's just for whatever reason. I think there's some changes with the dependencies, and it's just a hard time matching in a virtual environment how to fit them together, basically. The other thing that I've been running into is the tutorial that I've been basing a lot of my videos on to connect to Alpaca uses a particular library for technical indicators, and it's just, to be frank, just a real pain in the ass to get to work together and install and get it to work with the right version of Python and all that. So it is in the pipeline. I can't say for certain when I'll get it out there, but it's either I focus all of my attention on one video and may never release anything for another few months, or split up my time, work on it here and there, but also investigate other videos and put out other videos that are more on a consistent basis. So that's the only reason I haven't gotten to that. I am trying though, so just bear with me. I think the second most common question typically comes, or it's usually about like, can I post a Jupyter notebook to GitHub or post it somewhere public? For whatever reason, I'm just terrible with GitHub. And I think the reason actually is because I'm not in a place in my career or in my learning development where I'm collaborating a lot with people. So there is no reason to really push my projects up into GitHub because there's really no one out there for me to like collaborate with. That is changing though as I'm growing on YouTube, and my aspirations for what this channel could be is to be more collaborative with my viewers. So I am going to try to make it more public, but to be frank, another reason I've held back is because I am doing this in some sense to supplement my salary income. I'm not making any money off this channel as of right now, but somewhere in the future I would. And I think a good incentive for a free tier would be to post all my notebooks, and you can have access to the notebooks as long as you provide an email. And if you want to provide more, then I'm thinking you'll get the notebooks plus a few extra incentives, but we're not even there yet. So part of the reason I'm holding back is because I'm thinking ahead and thinking, how do I incentivize people to stick around and be good viewers and good followers, and try to create something where we can all mutually benefit from working together. So those notebooks being one of the primary incentives to get people to sign up, I'm sort of holding back. They will always be free. Let me just be clear. In the future, whenever I do release them all, all in aggregate, they will be free. It's just, do I want to put them to GitHub? Do I want to put them on a membership site, et cetera, et cetera? So I still need to iron out those details, and that might not be for a while. So just be patient. A lot of them are already posted, but posting each and every one of the GitHub for each video is just not my main priority right now. But like I say, in the future, as I start to develop where I want this channel to go, they're going to be more readily available. So again, timeline on that is like 6 months out from now. Something that I'm brainstorming and sitting on and pondering hard on. So yeah. The third thing I really want to bring up is the direction I see the channel going. There are other domains of machine learning and data science and AI that I'd really like to explore that I have a hard time fitting in with finance. So I'd really like to do some natural language processing. I'd like to do some generative imaging like Stable Diffusion and Deforum. I'd like to make other, and I do want to make other videos that are just about like reinforcement learning, and I want to be able to explore other video types, other subjects and other topics of videos that are more closely related to machine learning and data science and AI. I love finance. I work in finance, so doing it all day and all night I can tell I'm getting a little burnt out, and I can tell there are areas in my coding and my knowledge that I could be better at in learning, and I feel like the best way to do that is to explore other topics and other types of videos. So just be on the lookout for that. I know a lot of my subscribers are subscribed simply because I do a lot of algorithmic finance. That's not going to go away, but I am going to start branching out and making other types of videos and other types of content topics. Please give those a watch, especially if you're interested in coding. I plan on making them as interesting as possible. And the fourth and final thing I'd like to ask is, please, if you enjoy the channel, I really enjoy hearing people from in the comments. Especially if it's a newer video about something that you weren't expecting, let me know if you like it or not, and let me know, yeah, where you want to see the channel go. And I'm always open to feedback. I'm always open to connecting with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try to scale the channel a little bit more now that we're at this milestone. Thank you again. 1,000 really has been a goal for mine for like most of this year. So to hit it I hit it a couple weeks ago. So when I'm filming this, I hit it a couple weeks ago. So to hit it before the end of the year has been really satisfying. But it wouldn't have been possible without you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Stick around, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.